Hello, you are welcome back to New Focus Approach to Mathematics Basic 8. This is the revised edition, and in this video, we are looking at multiplying and dividing multi-digit numbers by 2 and 3-digit numbers. This lesson can be found in page 61. Now, traditionally, we can multiply, let's say, 241 by maybe 72 by doing putting the 72 here, underline, and then we multiply step by step. That is one way of doing multiplication. We have other methods we can use to do multiplication. So we are going to look at one or two of them, and then we see how best it will help us to solve as fast as we can. Let's say, for example, you are given 354 to be multiplied by 75 using the method called expand and box method. Expand and box method. So what you do is that you expand the first number and then you multiply each of the expansion by 75, which has also been expanded. Okay, so let's say for the 354, it can be written as 350 and then 4. These together will give us 354. Now we have to multiply this 300 by 75 can also be 70 and then 5. So again, the 300 again by also 5. So when we multiply this, then we write our answer. Okay, so let's say, and it's very easy because we know how to multiply numbers that are in hundreds or tens. So all I need to do is to multiply 7 by 3, which is very easy, and I attach the zeros. So that will be 21. That's 3 times 7 is 21. Okay. And now how many zeros are involved? 1, 2, and 3. So we put the 3 zeros here. Okay. Then we do 3 also times 5, which is 15. How many zeros are involved? Only 2 zeros. So we put them here. As simple as that. Then we are going to do 50 also times 70. Okay. Also we write our answer. Then 50 times the 5. Here 5 times 7 is 35. How many zeros are involved? 2. Then you put them there. 5, 5, 25. How many zeros are involved? Only 1. Then you put it there. Then finally we do 4 times 70. 4 times 70 and then 4 times 5. Okay, 4 times 7 again, we are doing 4 times 7. Then we attach the 0. And 4 times 7 means 28, right? So 28, then we attach only 1 0. And 4 times 5 is just 20. So all we are going to do is to add all these numbers together. We add this, plus that, plus this, plus this, plus that. Add all the answers, and that becomes the solution to this multiplication. So we are going to do 3 zeros here, plus 35, 0 plus 280 0, then plus the down 1 2, we have plus 1500 plus 250 plus 20. So we put all this together, then we get our answer. So 21,000 plus 3,500 will give us 24,500. Okay, now let me keep this one in addition to make it 280 here. Now I can add these ones too easily by saying, okay, 1,500 plus 250 will give us 1,750 plus 20, so plus 20. Now when I'm to add this portion, I'm going to have it as 24,780 plus, here too I can add this easily as 1,007. Here is 20, so 1,770. Now putting these two together, so if you do the addition correctly, you have 26,550. So then that becomes the result for multiplying 354 and 75. So if you draw this table like this, you can do it, though it's quite complex compared to the traditional method. It's also one way of doing it with accuracy, because the possibility of making mistake here is very high. So um, no, I wouldn't say very high. Rather, I would say the possibility of making mistake rather is low compared to the traditional method where a lot of multiplication goes into it. Okay, so let's take the next example and see. So, so here we want to do 76 times 34 also as with this expanded method. So we have 70 and we have 6. They are going to do 70 times 30, then 70 times 4, right? Then when you come, you're going to do 6 times 30, then 6 times 4. Then we go. So here we are going to have 3721. So we attach our 2 zeros. 4 times 7, that is 28. And then we attach 1 0. Here 3 times 6 is 18. We attach only 1 0. And 6 times 4 is 24. When we bring all the sum together, we have 2100 plus 180 plus 280 plus 24. So 2100 plus 180 will give us 2280, and then this also plus this will give us 200, and that is, so it will be 304. So when we put all together, so all together will give us 2584. Right, so that becomes the answer for multiplying 76 times 34. I'm sure this has really helped you. In our next video, we are going to look at it in terms of lattice method, how we can use the lattice method in solving questions of this sort. Thanks so much for watching.